You know that voice in your head? The one that whispers, "You're not good enough. Don't even try." That voice has stolen dreams, held back promotions, ended relationships before they even began. But what if you could turn that voice down and turn your inner power way up? Today's video isn't just about confidence tips. It's about taking your power back. We're diving into why confidence is a skill, not a gift. 7 science-backed strategies to build it daily. And one story that might just change how you see yourself forever. If you've ever felt like you were meant for more, but fear kept you silent, this is for you. Confidence isn't about being the loudest in the room or the best in the room. It's about believing you belong in the room. Research from Verywell Mind shows that confidence is shaped by how you think about yourself, who you surround yourself with, and how you respond to failure. And here's the kicker. It can be rebuilt, even if it's been crushed before. Social media has a secret superpower. It lies. Everyone looks perfect online. But behind every perfect post is a pile of edits, insecurities, and second-guessing. Comparison is the enemy of confidence. When you measure yourself against someone's highlight reel, you lose every time. What to do? Unfollow people who make you feel small. Start your day with your wins, not someone else's. Write one thing you're proud of every day. Jenna, a 24-year-old photographer, used to cry after scrolling Instagram. Now, she starts her day journaling 3 things she did well the day before. Her feed didn't change, but her mindset did. Your body speaks before your mouth does. And research shows how you stand affects how you feel. Slouching equals insecurity. Standing tall equals confidence. Even if you don't feel powerful, pretending you are can literally rewire your brain to feel that way. Try this. Shoulders back, chin level. Take up space when you sit or walk. Make eye contact, even if it's awkward at first. This isn't about faking it. It's about practicing who you're becoming. I always mess up. I'm not smart enough. They'll laugh at me. We all have that voice, but confidence begins when you start talking back. Flip the script. I always mess up. I'm learning something new. I'm not smart enough. I can figure this out. They'll laugh at me. What if they don't? Voice matters. The most powerful words in your life are the ones you say to yourself. Confidence isn't built in grand gestures. It's built in micro moments. Every time you speak up in a meeting, say no, try something new, you're stacking a brick of belief. Story. Leo was terrified of public speaking, but every week he challenged himself to say 1 sentence in team meetings. That's it. A sentence turned into a comment. A comment became a presentation. Now, he leads those meetings. Challenge. Pick one small confidence win today. Ask a question in class. Speak to a stranger. Start the task you've been putting off. Then do it again tomorrow. You don't need to fear failure. You need to redefine it. Confidence isn't about never falling. It's about knowing you can get back up. Every confident person you admire has failed. The difference? They don't make failure mean they're a failure. They see it as feedback. Try this mindset shift. Instead of, "I can't believe I messed that up," say, "What can I learn from this?" And bonus tip, write it down. Journaling your failures and lessons turns pain into wisdom, and wisdom into power. Confidence thrives in a healthy body. Sleep resets your mind. Exercise boosts endorphins and self-image. A good meal is equal to better mood. Mindfulness stops the negative spiral. Think of your body as your confidence vehicle. Fuel it well, move it, and treat it kindly. Even 5 minutes of meditation can interrupt self-criticism. Try this. Tonight, do one act of self-care, not because you earned it, but because you deserve it. Confidence begins with how you treat yourself when no one's watching. Let's recap. Confidence is built, not born. Here's your 7-day plan. Stop comparing. Start celebrating. Stand tall. Literally, speak back to your inner critic. Take one small action every day. Embrace mistakes as your teachers. Move your body. Rest your mind. Show up again tomorrow. Each day, you're not just surviving, you're becoming stronger, bolder, more you.